Are you tired of generic workout plans that just don't work for you? Let's change that. In this video, I'll show you how to create a personalized fitness plan that aligns with your goals, your body, and your lifestyle. And no static stretching. We're all about active mobility and purposeful strength training. Hi, I'm Dr. Sam, a licensed physical therapist. Welcome to Rehab Stronger. Here, we focus on smarter fitness strategies that deliver real, sustainable results. Today, I'm breaking down the exact steps to create a fitness plan that works specifically for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's building strength, improving endurance, or enhancing mobility, you need to be specific. Set goals like, I want to do 10 push-ups in 1 month, or I want to run a mile in under 8 minutes. Clear, measurable goals are key to shaping your plan. Next, take a moment to assess where you're starting. Are you recovering from an injury? Do you struggle with balance or mobility? Knowing your strengths and weaknesses helps you build a plan that works for you. Try simple assessments like a bodyweight squat or a plank hold to gauge your current fitness level. Now, let's talk about mobility. Unlike static stretching, active mobility prepares your body for movement and improves your range of motion dynamically. This is crucial for better performance and injury prevention. You can add movements like reverse lunges with an overhead reach, hip circles, or thoracic rotations to your warm-up. When it comes to strength training, focus on compound movements like squats, rows, or deadlifts. These exercises work multiple muscle groups, making them more efficient. Don't forget to include unilateral exercises like single-leg Romanian deadlifts or step-ups to correct imbalances and improve stability. The key is to choose exercises that align with your goals, whether it's endurance, strength, or overall mobility. Next, plan your weekly schedule. Think about how many days you can realistically commit to and structure your workouts accordingly. For example, you could do strength training on Mondays and Fridays, cardio on Wednesdays, and an active recovery session on Saturdays. Active mobility drills should be a part of every warm-up and cool down to keep your body moving well. Finally, track your progress and adjust as needed. Keep a journal or use an app to monitor your workouts and see how your body responds. If you're not seeing results, tweak your intensity, add more reps, or adjust your routine. Remember, this is a process, and consistency is key. To recap, start by defining your goals, assess your current fitness level, prioritize active mobility, choose strength exercises that align with your goals, plan your weekly schedule, and track your progress. Following these steps will help you create a fitness plan that's tailored to you. Let me know in the comments what your biggest fitness goal is right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video from Rehab Stronger. Let's build strength and mobility together.